Most tire shop owners think working harder is the answer. But here's the truth. The harder you work in your business, the less time you have to grow it. That's why so many shops stay stuck for years. The real question isn't how busy you are. It's whether your business can succeed without you. In this episode, we're talking about the mindset shift that separates tire shop owners who stay overwhelmed from those who build businesses that grow year after year. Stay with me, because one simple change could completely transform the way you run your shop. When you first open a tire shop, doing everything yourself is normal. You're fitting tires, answering the phone, ordering stock, cleaning up, and sorting paperwork. Every job lands on your shoulders. But here's something no one talks about. Years later, many owners are still doing exactly the same thing. This is where most people mess up. They become so busy keeping the business running that they never make time to improve it. Ask yourself this: if you disappeared for 1 week, would your tire shop keep operating? Or would everything stop until you came back? If the answer is no, you've created a job for yourself, not a business. Working in the business means fitting tires, serving customers, unloading deliveries, and fixing today's problems. Those things matter, but they don't create long-term growth. Working on the business is different. It's reviewing profits, improving systems, training your team, planning marketing, and finding ways to keep customers coming back. Those are the activities that make your business stronger over time. Don't skip this part, because it's one of the easiest improvements you can make. Block just 1 hour every week to think like an owner instead of a technician. Ask yourself, which services make the most profit? Which tire sizes sell the fastest? Where are we wasting time? How can we earn more repeat customers before next week? Those questions lead to better decisions. Here's another habit that changes everything. Every time the same problem happens twice, don't just fix it again. Turn it into a system. A simple checklist, a clear process, or better staff training can eliminate that problem for good. Systems reduce stress, save time, and help your team stay consistent. And speaking of your team, if they need your approval for every small decision, you've created a bottleneck. Give them the training, confidence, and clear processes they need to make sensible decisions on their own. That gives you the freedom to focus on opportunities instead of constant interruptions. The most successful tire shop owners don't measure success by how exhausted they are at the end of the day. They measure profitability, customer loyalty, staff development, efficiency, and sustainable growth. That's the mindset that builds businesses capable of lasting for years. So here's the takeaway. Keep serving your customers well, but don't spend every hour working in the business. Make time to work on it. Build systems. Develop your team. Review your numbers. Improve one thing every week, and those small improvements will create big results over time. If you found this helpful and want more practical advice to help your tire business become stronger, more profitable, and easier to run, subscribe and join us for future episodes. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tire wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app, with budget, mid-range, and premium tires all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tire businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages. Trusted by traders.